International Airport. So our group consists of 4 members, which is Fatima Ijaz, Calvin Nelson, me, myself, Vishovan, and Sean Shrish. So moving on to the introduction, let me explain about the San Francisco International Airport briefly. So San Francisco International Airport is the largest airport in the San Francisco Bay Area and the second busiest in California after Los Angeles Airport. So San Francisco International Airport is financially secure to ensure long-term viability and continue to make facilities improvement at the airport. So I'll be passing to my next presenter, which is Sean Trish.
Hi, good morning, good evening, madam. Okay, so I'll be talking about aeronautical revenues. Okay, aeronautical revenues comprise the majority of airport income and includes airline terminal space rentals, airline landing fees, and usage fees for terminals, gates, services, and passenger counts. As you can see in the chart at the side here, you can see their percentages of the revenues. All right, I'll be passing next to Calvin, the next presenter.
Thank you, Sean. So for as my part, I'm going to talk about non-aeronautical revenues. So as non-aeronautical revenues is a key of contributor to the financial success of airports. So meaning to say is that it is importance of revenue in diversifying their revenue system beyond aeronautical sources as like providing more space and maximizing exciting spaces to passengers' preference. And also, the aim of the revenue is to emphasize the opportunities available to the airport managers and also enhance non-aeronautical through the third-party services. So right now, I will pass to the next presenter, which is Fatima.
Okay, so basically my name is Fatima Ijaz. So I'm gonna conclude it up and gonna share with you guys what is revenue gathering. So as we already know, there's two revenues, which is aeronauticals revenues and non-aeronauticals. So basically aeronautical will be related to all the aviation stuffs, all the aviation incomes like the ticketing, ramp fuel, all the maintenance and everything related to aviation. And then non-aeronautical will be like non-airline and non-operationals. So non-airline will be like, you know, the all the Starbucks, McDonald's, all the restaurants and all the retail shops or in the shopping mall of the airport, which will be the gatherings. All the revenue will be go to the owner of the restaurants, not to the airport. So non-operation will be like the car park service and all the others, immigrations and all that will be non-operationals, which will all the revenues will go to the airport, but it's not related to aeronautical revenues. So basically to conclude it up, in conclusion will be like San Francisco aeronautical revenues is more than non-aeronautical revenues. So as you can see the percentage there, 53% is aviation, that means aeronautical revenues, and then 42 plus 5%, 47% is non-aeronautical revenues. That's all from us.
Thank you
For listening
To our
Presentation.